Hello everybody. So today we're going to do a little comparison video. This is going to be clone versus authentic, or real versus fake. We've all seen these Farmer Tech and Neo-tec saws out there and kind of wonder how they perform side by side. Well, I happen to have them both right here, so we're going to take them out, make a few cuts, do a cold start, and see how they go. This one here is Stihl 038 Magnum 2. This is original 72cc. This saw was rebuilt about 10 years ago, and I use it on a regular basis. I really love this one. This one here is the Neo-tec 872i. The I is the improved version, the one with the Walbro carburetor and upgraded piston and cylinder. These go for pretty cheap on Amazon right now. This one was $230, no bar. I put a 25-inch Stihl light bar on there with Oregon chain, and the original mag has a Stihl light bar with a 28-inch Oregon chain. Anyway, I'm going to take them out, see how they do, and go from there. Alright, well, after running them side by side, I gotta say I'm actually pretty impressed with the clone saw. For $230, it kind of gives you the feel of the authentic version. It's not quite as good, the Stihl, the real mag. You could feel there's a little bit more torque in there, it has a little bit more pop to it, and it's just a little bit better built. You can feel it. That being said, the Neo-tec is surprisingly good. I mean, the fitment is kind of a little bit wonky, and my initial thoughts out of the box were not good, but after I kind of adjusted things a little bit and ran it for a tank or two, it's been growing on me. I'm starting to like it a little bit more, so we'll see. I'm gonna run this one as much as I can, and we'll do kind of a longevity updates on this. I'll run them side by side in a little better comparison video later. So far, would I buy this Neo-tec? Well, at that price, I would definitely buy a couple of them. The $239 was on sale when I bought it for $80 off, and it might still be on sale now. I would definitely buy it. I will probably buy another one. and I will probably mess around and port with this and kind of have some fun with them because they're cheap and they'll help me get the experience I need to work on some of these guys. So anyway, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and we'll have more comparisons of these two coming.